might be the craziest underwater test we've ever done at WIC. We dropped the Redmi Note 17 Pro 1 meter underwater, kept an old Three Kingdoms video playing non-stop, and waited to see one thing: how long could it survive? Stick around for the results, but first, let's head back to the studio and see what this phone is really made of. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. Redmi has finally adopted the large, rounded corner design seen on many flagship phones, and it genuinely feels better in the hand. The grip is more comfortable, while the plastic flat frame keeps the 4V curved transition, so it never feels sharp or cheap. The rear panel is smoother too, giving the phone a much more premium look than you'd expect at this price. The camera module is now back in the upper left corner, making the phone easier to hold, especially with your right hand. Redmi also introduced a stepped camera layout inspired by mahjong tiles, paired with metal lens rings for a cleaner, more stylish finish. The Xiaomi 17 series raised the bar with its display, and now the Redmi Note 17 Pro brings some of that magic. Thanks to upgraded display materials, peak brightness reaches an incredible 4,114 nits, with 1,047 nits globally. Outdoor visibility is much better, while colors stay vibrant and accurate. You get a large 6.83-inch 1.5K OLED flat display with a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Whether you're scrolling social media or watching movies, the experience feels close to flagship level. Even at wide viewing angles, colors remain accurate and sharp. Redmi also focused heavily on eye comfort. The display reduces blue light with a 458 nanometer peak and a 29.58% blue light energy ratio, helping protect your natural sleep cycle. Eye protection mode cuts it even further with DC dimming, and 3840 Hz high-frequency PWM dimming reduce flicker. Add dedicated sleep and gaming eye protection modes, and it's clear Redmi didn't cut corners. Still, remember to give your eyes regular breaks. Inside, the phone runs on the Snapdragon 6S Gen 4 with a huge 4769mm² stainless steel VC cooling system. Sounds like overkill? After 5 straight losing matches in honor of kings, the phone stayed surprisingly cool, with both sides reaching only 38.9 degrees Celsius. That massive cooling system definitely earns its place. Power efficiency is just as impressive, averaging only 3.3 watts. But here's where things get really interesting. We pushed the Redmi Note 17 Pro through our YLab Battery Life 5.0 test. Thanks to its huge 9,000 milliamp golden sand battery, it lasted an incredible 10 hours and 18 minutes, taking third place on our battery endurance leaderboard. Even more surprising, it actually beat several phones with 10,000 milliamp batteries. After the first 5 hours of testing, it still had 69% battery left, while the highest temperature reached only 41.3 degrees Celsius around the SoC area. That's an impressive combination of battery life and thermal performance. The battery test wasn't over yet. Next came the heavy load round, and Ming Dynasty pushed the phone the hardest, draining 15% in just 1 hour. Even then, the highest temperature reached only 43.5 degrees Celsius. After all 4 games, the Redmi Note 17 Pro still had 20% battery left. For the final challenge, we played Genshin Impact for 1 hour, then StarCraft for another 18 minutes. The result? An incredible 10 hours and 18 minutes of total battery life. For a 6.83-inch phone with a huge 9,000 mAh battery, that's seriously impressive. Now, charging. The Redmi Note 17 Pro supports 67-watt fast charging. It reaches over 50% in about 40 minutes and charges fully in roughly 86 minutes while staying below 40 40 degrees Celsius the entire time. It also supports 55-watt PPS fast charging, so even if you forget your charger, a compatible one can still charge the phone quickly. A massive battery isn't the only highlight. The Redmi Note 17 Pro is rated IP66, IP68, IP69, and IP69K, meaning it can handle splashes, spills, heavy rain, and even extended time underwater without breaking a sweat. Wait, aren't we forgetting something? That's right, the phone is still underwater. After 5 hours and 21 minutes, we finally pulled it out. And after 5 hours and 22 minutes submerged 1 meter underwater, the Redmi Note 17 Pro powered on like nothing happened. The display worked perfectly, the cameras stayed fog-free, and it even set a new record by playing video underwater for over 5 hours. Battery life and waterproofing are impressive, but Redmi also added practical features. One is 300% volume, making calls and media much easier to hear for elderly users or anyone with hearing difficulties. Family care features let relatives share live locations, receive spam call and scam alerts, and stay connected more safely. In emergencies, like a fall, the phone can automatically contact emergency services, share your live location, and provide a built-in medical card with details like blood type, height, and weight. If your family already uses Xiaomi bands or Xiaomi watches, you can sync health data like heart rate and sleep, making it easier to look after loved ones. The phone also includes AI-powered anti-fraud protection, blocking spam calls and adding extra security against scams. And here's a surprise, it even supports remote software management. Now I just need to figure out how to stop it from forwarding so much spam news. As for the price, the Redmi Note 17 Pro starts at 1,599 yuan in China for the 8GB plus 128GB model, around £176 in the UK or $236 in the US. The Redmi Note series has been around for 12 years, growing from a value-focused phone into one of the most popular smartphone lineups. Through it all, practicality has remained its biggest strength. From its incredible battery life and class-leading water resistance to eye protection and family care features, every upgrade is designed to improve daily use while keeping long-term costs low. With smartphone prices climbing every year, the Redmi Note 17 Pro delivers exactly what many people want: a phone that's reliable, durable, and built to last. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed it and learned something new about the Redmi Note 17 Pro, hit like, subscribe, save this video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.